One of the ways in which diversity manifests itself is in cognitive diversity, how we think differently from the person next to us. It's basically a difference in how you process information. And research shows that cognitive diversity leads to business success in terms of solving complex business problems. So teams that are more cognitively diverse are better at solving complex business problems. The problem is that we like to be with people who think like us. We say often, I like to be with like-minded people. The problem with that is that we risk getting into what is called groupthink, where we all think alike, we all just converge quickly on one idea, and we don't have people who are challenging us. And when we get into that situation with groupthink, we are going to miss out on things. Now, it could be that we're going to miss out on an important risk that we're just not seeing, or we could be missing out on a great idea that no one brought forward. And so we really want to look for people who think differently than we do. Because not only are we going to solve complex business problems, but we are going to be more innovative, because it turns out there's this myth around innovation that the innovators are these lone people, generally men, sitting alone in a room, coming up with these brilliant ideas that are going to change the world. But research shows that innovation isn't like that. That's not how it happens. Research shows that innovation usually emerges when diverse people come together and generate a wide range of ideas, and then they debate those ideas, sometimes heatedly, and then the best ideas emerge as those innovations.